Everyone, welcome to ProdGIS. This is Ashutosh, and we are launching our test series program for public administration mains after prelims. This program is designed for basically the students who have been facing problems in terms of scoring marks, in terms of writing well-designed, well-articulated answers. As you know, the answers require a lot of in-depth understanding of the question. That is the first target of understanding or writing any good answer is the understanding of the question. So this test series will be one of the game changer for you in that regard, because we are focusing primarily on not only evaluating a student with respect to the content he's writing, but also with respect to the level of understanding that students have. So our discussions, the test analysis would be based on this very parameter, on this very particular idea, that whether students are able to comprehend the requirement of the question or not. They should not merely write what they know, but they should be able to curate, modify, restructure their content as per the need of the question paper, and that is where you score marks. So there will be around 15 tests, 8 sectional tests, 4 paper 1, 4 paper 2, 2 mock tests, that is 10, 1 very unique second ARC based test, which will give you a lot of edge compared to other competitors, because studying second ARC and then filtering down the content from the second ARC is a mammoth task which a student cannot take. Almost 15 reports you have to study. Every report is so voluminous. So what we have done, we have taken out the core ideas from the reports, developed that into a test, as most of the topics, most of the questions you'll see in paper 2 public administration coming from the very base of second ARC. It may be outdated in terms of data or fact, but it is not outdated in terms of themes and ideas and issues. So that is one creative test we have included in that. Then there will be a test, one more test, which will be related to intermixing of paper 1 and 2. Because you see a lot of questions since 2019-20 are coming now in the arena of, overlap of paper 1 and 2 together. So it is very difficult for the student to find out or exactly know from which topic it has come. Also, the method of studying topic by topic or unit by unit has modified itself, evolved itself, and that is the beauty of public administration. That is where it helps you explore so many other areas of general studies, because it is the nature of the paper which makes you dynamic all the time, which keeps you aware of what is happening around you. So there are almost 15 tests, 8 sectional tests, ARC-based test, intermixed test or HOTS, high order thinking skills that we say. Evaluation will be done within a week. Detailed analysis will be done. Discussions will be done after the test. One-to-one mentoring will be done. One-to-one analysis will be done. Every student will have a unique problem. Somebody will be able to articulate, but not able to interpret and conceptually put that into the words. Some people would not be able to use the right expression, right vocabulary, right content while writing the answer. Some students may be quite aloof of understanding the question itself. Some students may have a very mediocre understanding of the topic. So we'll try to take up all those things together, and that is where this test series becomes unique. Right? So we welcome you all to this platform. Kindly come and join the test series and let us know exactly where you are failing consistently. Or if you're a first timer, obviously you need to get exposure to the world of UPSC and obviously the kind of complexities that you will face in your real examination. So this test series will try to override that, will try to help you sail through this kind of tides which will be visible in the question paper in the exam, which many of the students say were shocks, right? So we'll try to overcome those shocks for you, and that is what the intent of the test series is, right? The program is designed meticulously in that particular manner. For all the details of the program, you can go to the app, download the app, get the details of the program, or you can visit the website prodgis.com. Or in case you want to have any personalized mentoring regarding the subject, regarding the problems which you are facing in the conceptual understanding of the subject, you can call us, write us, mail us, right? Or you can even go to the YouTube and watch our videos which are there. A lot of content is visible. Okay, you can just go through them. You'll also understand that what or where is the gap in your understanding and the demand of the examination. Thank you so much for listening to me. All the best to you. Take care.